Hey, what's going on YouTube? So I told you I'd be back with another video, unlike my usual one video a year. I talked about in my last video that I had broken my street scene splitter. So as you notice, there's a splitter down there. That's the one I just got in. That's the ACS Composites, the ZL1 Style. So I broke my street scene splitter. Kind of just give you a little recap. I was just going through a drive-through and I basically hit a dip a little too hard, cracked that splitter and didn't replace it. I probably had the car without a splitter for at least 2 to 3 years now, and like I said, for some reason I decided to order a new part, and of course that was the splitter that to replace the splitter that I broke. This one's the ACS Composites, the ZL1 styled splitter, as you can see. This one cost me, I would say, it cost me about $700, so it wasn't a cheap part. And of course there's different options out there. You don't necessarily have to go with one of the more expensive options, but that's just the one I ended up buying to replace the street scene, because street scene cost me probably about $350, maybe like for sure under $400. And I just wanted something a little bit better. Not saying that the street scene isn't good. Honestly, that one lasted me, you know, probably a good four years before anything even happened to it. And I mean, they'll last you a long time. You just never know sometimes that you might hit you might hit something in the road and it breaks, or you might hit a dip like I did at McDonald's and it cracked in half. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do that. So hopefully it's just like the other one. It hooks up to the factory bolts. It hooks up with the factory bolts, but it did come with some rivets. So just in case that it doesn't, the fit isn't as well as the street scene one, we always have the option to put in rivets. I really don't want to do that. I hate drilling into the bumper, even though I had to do it with the canards. We had to put rivets into the canards. But anyways, we have let me show you real quick. We have the old ones here. These are the ones that came off the car. These are the ones, yeah, these are the ones on the car. And then of course we have these for the stow and show right there. I already took off the stow and show. It looks like super dirty, but this is the stow and show that you can get for, you see how it has like longer rods. Basically you can get this if you wanted like a splitter, because they sell one without a splitter extension and then one with a splitter extension. The only problem is I try to just like take it off, like, obviously with the stow and show, the good thing about it is that you can like pull this little lever right here. Pull the lever, and basically you can take off your license plate really easily. But this is like super rusted, and I don't know if you can see in the video. Yeah, you can see in the video it got really rusted, so I can't even pull this out. Like if I wanted to go to a car show or something and just like pull off my front license plate, it's not gonna work. So I got to get that replaced, and I probably do that. Yeah, I think last time I think this whole thing cost me like $90. So there goes some trash. But anyways, let's go ahead and get this started, and then like, I'm not going to show you how to do it. Like I said, there's probably plenty of YouTube videos out there that will actually show you how to do it, but it's pretty self-explanatory, to be honest. But I'm not going to show you the whole process. But if I run into any problems, like I said, I'll mention it in the video. So let's go ahead and get started.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we just got done putting on the ACS splitter. So the thing that was different from the last splitter, the street scene one that I had previously on the car, the one that I broke, right? So the thing that was different was that on the street scene splitter, I don't know if you can see these, but these bumpers that come with your car on the left and the right side, I hadn't removed them yet. Some of y'all probably already have. But the thing is that you have to remove these in order to put the ACS splitter on. On the street scene one, it wasn't like that. And that's not a deal breaker at all by any means. It's something I've been wanting to do anyways on the car. I just really, it wasn't in the way and it wasn't really bothering me, so I hadn't done it yet. But anyways, you have to do it with the ACS splitter, and honestly, it looks really good compared to the street scene splitter. And like I said, you can go back in my other videos and look at the street scene splitter that I previously had, and we can compare them. But honestly, I can't believe I was rolling without a splitter for a while, because man, it really does change up the front appearance of the car. Man, that just looks different. That looks mean. Check that out. Sorry, I don't have a gimbal or whatever the hell they're called, so I'm gonna be a little shaky. I just hadn't put on my my stow and show yet, but that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to kind of show you how it looks without a splitter, with the splitter. Honestly, this is probably one of the first cosmetics things that you should do for sure for your car, is put a splitter, and of course the side skirts. But anyways, that's it. That's all I got. Thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.